Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Stretch the Sketch, and there it is. So I'm stretching it down. So I'm going down into my traveler's notebook. I wanted to do something quick and simple, and I'm working on trying to catch up all of my traveler's notebooks. I wanted to do it this summer and I just didn't. And now I am. I'm just pulling it out and I'm working on it. So the collection that I'm using is close to my heart. And unfortunately, this was such a high demand in May that it is no longer available. But if you have this collection or any type of collection that you would want to use to get out of your stash just in a little bit of a traveler's notebook, get it out and do this. This works out wonderful. I absolutely love this. Now, traveler's notebooks for me are simple and easy to do. I mean, it only takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to do a traveler's notebook layout. And yeah, so this is in my selfie one, and these are my COVID photos. I didn't give a rat's hootie about my hair. I pulled it up all the time. Originally, and I know you guys will kind of laugh at it, especially for the ones that have watched me quite a while. If you're new, I'm sorry, but I definitely have a huge resting bitch face. And at first I was going to name this COVID resting, you know what. But I decided to not do any of that and just put my selfies down. And I did a little tag that I did off camera to talk about why these selfies are the way they are. And I've got just different ones, like one of them was on one day and then the other one was obviously on another day. And during COVID, I really didn't care what my hair looked like because I wasn't impressing anybody. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't have to go to school yet because this was still either this was either April, May, June, or July of last year, probably even August. Because at that point, last year, we were supposed to start school in August, but then they kicked us back to September. So that gave me another whole month off and just to kind of do whatever I felt like doing. And so my photos ended up being a little bit much of just whatever I felt like looking like. So, but that is what the photos are and what they are about. And what I did is that since I shrunk it down, I decided to cut down the photos and cut down the pictures. Now, the photos are pretty much what the sizing is of this from Page Maps. And I'll link the Page Maps down below for you as well. It's the set of Page Maps. It's done in August of 2018 is where this sketch comes from. And with the sketch being, I will link everybody down below that is doing this hop this month. We do have a couple of them that dropped off, a couple of them that didn't make it, and all of that. So make sure you go check down below to see who is doing this layout or this sketch and stretching it, doing whatever. So I went down, like I said, I went down to a traveler's notebook. Most of the time you guys have seen me do a double page spread, but I just truly did not have time. I just got done with my first week of school, as you probably could tell with one of my other layouts that I did for voiceovers. And I just decided to do something simple and easy for me because I wanted to be able to knock out some of these some of these selfies and stuff in my notebook because I want to get it done and start on my next one. I am almost done with this one, at least, for me to go into the next one for that. So I am just playing, like I said, I'm just playing all these little bits and bobs down, these photos down, and it goes pretty quickly. So I just got done. So Fran is over. And we had Kaylin's birthday this weekend. I just got done. So I am actually doing this voiceover the day that this goes up. And we video chatted in Josh so that he could see what I got Kaylin for her birthday, because technically Josh kind of knew what I was getting her, and we knew like what it was going to look like and everything, but I never got to show her never got to show him everything. So that's, we chimed in on that, so he was able to be involved with that. And then also I put everything together, and then on social media will be what her My Generation. So I ended up getting her the My Generation doll and not the true American doll, and she absolutely loves it. She's got a bed for it. I do have to go pick up a wardrobe just because when Fran started to wrap for me, thank God I have friends that come over and help me, because I got through the first week of school and that's about all I could get through at this point. But there was just too many clothes, and I thought I got the wardrobe, but as I was watching her open it up, I remembered that the wardrobe was out of stock online for Target. So I just got to go back in there and get the wardrobe so that she can hang up some of her clothes and stuff. So the photos will be on social media for you to go see what dog she had. Of course I got her one with the dog because she loves her Asher Basher. So I figured that would be perfect for her. And I just, I purchased just along the way about a bunch of stuff that she has gotten, and that. So here I am. I'm rounding out the photos with the black little dots and just coming in with that. So make sure you go check out everybody. If you are new, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, design team layouts, etc., all of that fun stuff. And I chat about my life. So if you like that content, please hit that like and subscribe button. It is free. And hit that bell so you get notified each and every time. And then this is it. So I hope that you like it. Here are the still shots, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.